How to enable or disable USB tethering on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and you will see first option is Connections. Click on Connections. After click on Connections, scroll down and click on Mobile Hotspot and Tethering. After click on mobile hotspot and tethering, you will see USB tethering is here. If you want to enable USB tethering, so turn on this button. After turn on this button, you will see USB tethering is enabled. If you want to disable USB tethering, so turn off this button. After turn off this button, you will see USB tethering is disabled. You will enable or disable USB tethering from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can enable or disable USB tethering on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.